Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk a bit on countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So let's get started. Definition of countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are individual people, animal, places, things or ideas that can be counted. As by its name we can easily understand that those nouns which can be counted that comes in countable nouns, and uncountable nouns are not individual objects or they can't be counted. Like nouns can be countable or uncountable. Countable nouns can be counted, like an elephant, two elephants, three elephants. So these all can be counted. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted, like air, rice, water, etc. Countable nouns. The first usage. For positive sentences we use a and an for singular nouns, or some for plurals, like there is a man at the door. Now here you can see that a is used, like there is a man at the door. He's an army man. And the last sentence, we have some friends in London. So in the first sentence, after a there is a singular noun, that is man, and in the second sentence there is again a singular man, that is army man, and at the last we have plural noun, that is friends. That is why we have used some. The second usage, for negatives we use a and an for singular nouns or any for plurals. For example, I don't have a dog. Now dog is what? Dog is a singular noun, that is why we have used a. She doesn't have an apple. Apple is again singular noun, that is why we have used an. And there are not any seats. Seats are what? Seats are plural, and that is why we have used any. And if we talk about uncountable nouns, we use some with uncountable nouns. We use some with uncountable nouns in positive sentences, means in simple sentences, and any with negatives, like there is some milk in the fridge. Now here you can see that it's obviously milk is uncountable, but it's positive, so that's why we have used some. Here is some bread on the floor. Again, it's a positive sentence. Now if we talk about negative, there is not any coffee. That is why we have used not, like is not, and that coffee is obviously uncountable and it's negative, so we have to use any. They don't have any advice for you. Again, advice is uncountable noun, and any is what? Any is obviously if we talk about negative, so we have to use any. For interrogative, like in interrogative sentences we use a and an and any or how many with countable nouns, like is there an email address on the letter. Now it's obviously interrogative sentences, and at the last we have question mark. And the second sentence, are there any chairs? How many chairs are there? So remember, in interrogative we use an, any or how many with countable nouns. Chairs are countable, and again chairs are countable, and the same emails, if we want to read, if we want to write, so they are countable. We use any or how much with uncountable nouns, like is there any sugar? Because sugar is uncountable, that is why we are using any. But we are talking about interrogative. How much apple juice is there? Again, like juice is uncountable, and that is why we are using how much. How much money do you have? When we are offering something or asking for something, we normally use some. Like, do you want some salad? Can we have some more desks, please? It's assignment for you all. Use these words in uncountable nouns. Just I'm talking about here uncountable nouns. So the first one is garbage, second is water, the third is advice, and the last, that is bread. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.